Welcome, everyone. You know me, your host, the Panda Photographer. And today I got Canon related news for you, and you guys are going to love this. So, you landscape and wildlife and sports photographers out there, listen up. RF is making moves. But, as I said, I'm the Panda Photographer, and on this channel, we teach photography, videography, and we give tutorials here on the Panda Nation, right here on this channel. So please do subscribe, like, and share. And if you want to make a small donation to keep the lights on here, please, there's a PayPal donation link down in the description below. It really does help. We are still in Oregon, Portland, Oregon. I'm still at the Northwest Portland hostel. I'm still waiting to get in Canada, but I came across some Canon news, which is fantastic. You guys are going to love this stuff. So here we go. Let's get started. So actually, let me just roll the B-roll first. Yeah, let's do that. Alright, let's get this started. So, let's go to the Canon kit information lenses, or SKU kit information. So, the Canon EOS R5 and R6 will be announced in about 3 weeks from now. They will obviously come with bodies only and the options to pick out a lens kit. Now, you guys are probably wondering what lens kits are there. Well, we got the 24-105 f4L IS USM. Then we have the 24-105 f4 to 7.1 IS STM lens. Now, those are the options for purchases for the EOS R5 and EOS R6. Now, we do have new lenses. All right, new RF lenses for sports, wildlife, micro photographers, portrait photographers. So we got the Canon RF 50 f1.8. We got the Canon RF 70-200. We got the Canon RF 85 f2 micro lens, special lens by the way. We got the Canon RF 100-500 f4 to 7.1. Then we have the RF 600mm f11. Then we have the RF 800 f11. So for you wildlife sports photographers, landscapes, there's a lens coming your way. Canon's not going to be like a Sony and wait years to release telephoto lenses. So that's great news for you Canon fanboys out there. As a photographer, I shoot with Sony, Canon, Nikon, Micro Four Thirds. You give me a camera, I'll shoot with it. I don't care. But this is excited news for a lot of you guys that are looking for options for the RF series. So Canon's making moves. Canon's doing it carefully, strategically. They're doing it correctly, and that's what we want to see. So micro photographers get a lens, portrait photographer get a lens, videographers get a lens, sports and wildlife get a lens. That's going to be a good year. 2021 is going to be a good year for Canon, I assure you. But the third quarter of this year, 2020, is going to make Canon step up to the plate. Canon has to. That's the only objective right now, to take back this market share that Sony has when it comes down to, who has the most, shooters. It shouldn't really matter. Buy a camera that fits your lifestyle and your category, what you're shooting. Be happy with it. But with that said, everyone, I'm the Panda Photographer. Please do subscribe and like and hit that thumbs button. It really does help, ladies and gentlemen. It really does. So, but other than that, please leave your comments, leave your thoughts down in the descriptions below. Which lens would you buy if you get a RF body? So let me know down in the comments below. But with that said, everyone, eat, sleep, videography, photography, and repeat. And I will see you guys in the next video. You guys take care. Happy shooting.